Alright, so welcome. Alright, so welcome to the first episode of Island Mummies. Woo! If you're a mom living in the island, I'm a mom living in the island. My first baby. Woohoo! Woo! Alright, so I gave birth for the first time. Is that right? I think it's right. So now, and it was weird because I had to be induced. So I thought I was abnormal, and then I found out it's pretty normal to be abnormal. So I was 40 weeks and the baby was supposed to come. The baby didn't come. Of course, I googled, as what everybody would do, how to induce the baby naturally, because I didn't want a C-section. And anyway, so people were saying have sex. I had sex like 7 days straight. The baby still didn't come at 40 weeks. Alright, they said eat pineapples. I ate a lot of pineapples. The baby still didn't come. Them foot massages, the baby still didn't come. I exercised almost every morning. I jumped up and down. I did squats. I did all of those stretches. The baby still didn't come. So of course, my doctor admitted me into the hospital to be induced. I was like, okay, all right, okay. And then she's like, well, lass, if the baby doesn't come after being induced, you have to do a C-section. I was like, no. I prayed to God, so God, please let this baby come. All right. Now, of course, so I went into the hospital. They sent me into the delivery room, and then they gave me the pill to start the induction, or to be induced, whatever. So the hospital doctor came, not my personal doctor. The hospital doctor came, and she inserted the pill, and of course, I was happy, and she was like explaining to me and blah blah blah. I was like, okay, cool. And after she did that, now after that happened, what happened afterwards? Sorry, it was all a blur because the pain and everything made my memory gone. I can't remember everything. But after I got the pill, after it was placed into my vagina by the doctor, I didn't start to feel any contractions immediately, or even at 12 o'clock, because it was probably inserted around 9 o'clock. So 12 a.m. still no contractions. But I think around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I started to feel some contractions, but they were mild, still nothing big. And the nurses, they came in to check if I was dilated. And they only said 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So I was like, what's happening if vehicle pass? So of course, I was like, what's happening? If I got the pill in the morning, and it's no afternoon, and the baby still don't come. It's a bum beat. And the nurses, they made me feel even like more anxious, because they're like, what's happening to you, Miss Singh? The baby still don't come. And I was like, And anyways, so alright, my personal doctor came back in the afternoon around 4, and she was like, oh, still 1 centimeter dilated. And I was like, okay. But in the night, I felt some pain. In the night, I was like, yo, the contractions getting stronger. I was like, how could I? And I went up on the bed, and then I came off the bed, and then I did this, and I exercised like this. Yes. So at one moment, I was like on the bed like this, and I was like, why? And I was like doing some of these to get rid of the pain. And I was like, whoa. Guess what? The baby still didn't come. Like this, baby still didn't come. And then the nurse, they heard me with the nurse, and they were like, I wonder if she's ready. And they came and checked, and guess what? Still 1 centimeter dilated, with no pain, with a whole heap of pain, but no baby. And then in the morning though, my doctor came, and she was like, yo, all right, I feel something going on. I was like, yes, something going on. Great. And then she ruptured my membrane. And I was like, yo, from that happened, oh gosh, the water came down, and then the real labor pain started. And she was like, yes, from now on you're gonna start feeling some pain. So I'm happy for my personal doctor who came in, and she really helped out by even like talking to me and feeling how I was dilated and even rupturing my membrane. Because the hospital doctor, she was supposed to come and do it, and I don't know where she was, but my personal doctor stepped in on the scene. And then, lad, oh, I make so much noise just to come to look ill. Watch him. Oh, go on yourself. Watch your two vehicle them. Anyways, back to the show. So now, after rupture my membrane, the next in the morning, after my membrane was ruptured in the morning, water come, pain come, and then the baby started come too, and I saw everything start happening. I start get happy, but then me happy in the pain. And then they have to push. They said like if you're using the toilet, every mother's supposed to know this, like push like you're using the toilet. And that's how she came. And I love to use the toilet. I don't know if anybody like me. I get a free up. I wanted to use the toilet and they wouldn't let me use the toilet because they was like, yo, save all the toilet movement for when the baby come. So when them tell me someone could use the toilet while pushing, I mean on the bed, when they tell me I could, when they tell me I could poop, I poo. And someone pushed the baby and then so I poo. And I was like, and then she came, my baby came. But it was like, if someone would tell me that I would have to be induced, I would be like, no, why? Because it wasn't anything hurtful, the baby to be induced, but when you're pregnant, every single detail is like it scares you. So the fact that my baby didn't come naturally and I had to be induced, at first I was nervous, but afterwards it was pretty normal. So anybody who has to be induced, don't be worried or don't be scared or don't feel anyway. It's just a natural process in life. Like some persons come naturally, some persons have to wait, some persons have to be induced. But just trust in God and everything going to be okay. Everything happens for a reason. There has to be a reason why the baby chose to come 1 week afterwards or 2 weeks afterwards. Whatever the reason is, it's something good that God installed. So this is Island Mommies. Alright, next time we're gonna chat about something else. I don't know.